Online lecture series, the College of S&D Engineering College of Research Center, Yeola. The subject of data structure and algorithm, unit number 6, indexing and multivariate tree. Myself, Professor Saukar Dhanashree Prakash, Department of Computer. Today's lecture topic will be covered of inverted file. The inverted file are similar to multi-list. Multi-list record with the same key value are linked together with link information kept in individual record. In case of inverted file, in the link information is kept in the index file itself. We can assume every key is dense since the index entries are variable length. Index maintains become complex for multi-list. Benefits begin the Boolean queries require only one access per record satisfying the query. Queries of type k1 equal to xx and k2 equal to yy can be handled similarly by inserting the two lists. The retrieval work in the two steps. In the first step, in index processed to obtain a list of record satisfying the query and the record. Second, these records are retrieved using the list. The number of disk access needed is equal to the number of record begin retrieved, the number of process in index. Inverted file represent an extreme of the file organization in which only the index structure are important. The record themselves can be stored in any way. Inverted file may also result in space when saving compared with other file structure. The record retrieval doesn't require retrieval of the file fields, key fields. In this case, key fields may be deleted from the record, unlike multi-list structure. Cellular partition. To reduce the search file times, the storage media may be divided into cells. A cell may be an entire disk pack, or it may simply be a cylinder. Lists are localized to lie within a cell. A multi-list organization in which the list for key equal to programming list include record on several different cylinders. Then we break in the list into several smaller lists where each program list included only those records in the same cylinder. In index entry for program will now contain several entries, a list of type where address is a pointer to start, a list of a record with key 1 equal to program and length I is the number of record on a list. By doing this, all record of the same cell may be accessed without moving the read write head. Advantages of cellular partition. Various read operations can be performed parallelly in order to reduce the search time. Faster and execution of any query. And disadvantages of cellular partition is if multiple record files in the same cell, then reading a single cell becomes a time consuming process. Corollaries. In a doubly linked multi-list structure is used. Each list is a circular list with head node. A link field is used to link all records with same key values. B-link is used for record back pointer and other for it is pointer to head. Node owing this back pointer deletion is easy without going to start. Index are maintained as per multi-list. External sorting. The external sorting is a technique in which the data is stored on secondary memory, in which part by part data is loaded into the main memory and then sorting can be done over this record sorted data will be stored in the intermediate files. The requirement of external sorting is there where the data we have to store in main memory does not fit into it. Basically, it consists of two phases that are sorting phase and merge phase. The sorting phase is a phase in which a large amount of data is sorted in a intermediate files. Next, last merge file. In this phase of record files, sorted files are combined in the single large file. Thank you friends for watching this video.